Welcome back to the Mindset for Course Creators and Online Entrepreneurs series, where we focus on building the confidence, mindset, and habits you need to grow a successful course, coaching business, or online brand. Today, we're talking about decision-making, how to make confident choices in your business without second-guessing yourself. If you've ever struggled with, what if I make the wrong decision? Should I launch now or wait until I'm more prepared? What if I choose the wrong niche, price, or strategy? You're not alone. Many entrepreneurs get stuck overthinking instead of taking action. But indecision keeps you from making progress. Let's break down how to make business decisions with confidence. Step 1. Accept that there's no perfect decision. A big reason people struggle with decisions is because they want the perfect answer. But in business, there's no single right way to do things. Instead of thinking, what if I pick the wrong course topic? Try. Any topic I commit to and market well can be successful. Instead of, what if my price is too high? Try. I can always test and adjust my pricing. Every decision teaches you something. What matters most is moving forward. Step 2. Trust yourself. You know more than you think. Many course creators and entrepreneurs doubt themselves because they think they need more knowledge before making a choice. But if you've helped someone solve a problem, learned from your own experience, done research on your market, then you already have enough information to make a smart decision. At some point, you have to trust yourself and take action. Step 3. Set a time limit on decisions. Overthinking wastes time and energy. To avoid decision paralysis, set deadlines for your choices. For example, give yourself 24 hours to pick a course platform. Decide on a price by the end of the week. Commit to a launch date by the end of the month. When you set a deadline, you force yourself to make the best choice with the information you have. Step 4. Make a decision and adjust later. Many people avoid making decisions because they're afraid of making a mistake. But in business, you can always adjust. Instead of thinking, what if this is the wrong move? Remind yourself, you can pivot if needed. You can test and refine as you go. No decision is permanent. Successful entrepreneurs don't wait for the perfect choice. They make a decision, take action, and tweak things as needed. Step 5. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every decision you make moves you forward. Even if something doesn't go as planned, you learn and improve. Your first course launch won't be perfect, but it will get you started. Your first marketing strategy might need adjustments, but it will give you experience. Your pricing may change over time, but your business will grow faster if you start now. Taking action, even if it's not perfect, is always better than waiting and doing nothing. Decide, take action, and move forward. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's one business decision you've been overthinking? And if you need help structuring your course or choosing your next steps, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. If you're ready to stop overthinking and take action, get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi to build your course, email list, and marketing systems. Pro tip: pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now go make a decision, because clarity comes from action, not overthinking.